How to remove message button on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the audience and visibility tab, you will see the option for how people find and contact you. Tap on that. Further, go ahead and adjust your privacy settings to limit who can send you messages. You can restrict messages to friends or specific people. While you can't completely remove the message button, limiting who can message you effectively reduce unwanted interactions. Also make sure that Facebook frequently updates its interface, so these options might change. So make sure to always check for the latest features and settings in the Help Center or support documentation. So this is how you can remove message button on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.